way for starters, the word is 64%, which is dope. Dope यानी कि जो यंग जनरेशन है वो सारी बुकिया और ऐप्स के लिए, तो उसमें जो है बुकी ऐप्स है, तो इसलिए तो मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर्स जो हैं वो आयोडॉक है, ऑन डिमांड स्टार्टअप्स है, रेंजर्स डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी एंड आई क्रिएटिव्स. So Iodog is an old working from Rawalpindi. It has a branch in Berkeley town, but it isn't working as I suppose. And on-demand sector startups is US based. Rangelers Digital Marketing Agency is local, and iCreatives is still highly rated a mobile app development company. Acha, dear judges, these are some FAQs that you might have in your mind. What are the sectors in the whole that have high app demand? Well, there are education, healthcare, transportation, and e-commerce. Which mobile platforms dominate the whole market? Android and iOS are completely covering the 98% of Lahore's young generation. ठीक है? What legal policy is required for developing mobile apps in the world? Uh, requirements requirements or the requirements are
registration
आपने उस पे लिखा होगा
registration
चलो कोई बात नहीं
registration rules and copyright laws and to use the rules of Google Play Store, Apple, or the thing that is mostly required is the 2020 receipt bill. And how can we market our mobile apps efficiently? We can use social media marketing and post some videos and things about our website and apps. So make Actimini, app that is basically made for Alpha Crane Technology Incubator by me. And okay, Actimini, make our mission and vision. From Alpha Crane's dream to where I brought digital reality. Actimini is an app which will compete the digital world and local market. Digitalize my institute and source of attractions, customer attractions. And this app is a financial support and strength to my institute. My inspiration, the growth journey and the history and growth journey. Arfa Karim is a tech Einstein. She represented Pakistan in various countries using her winning awards. She was the youngest Microsoft certified professional in 2004 at the age of 9. She also won the Fatma Jinnah Gold Medal. She also won the Slam Pakistan Youth Award. And the most biggest thing is she wrote her name in the Guinness World Record book. And once Alpha Karim said, if you want to do something big in your life, think confident. Shyness is only the mind. If you think shy, you act shy. If you think confident, you act confident. So don't let shyness conquer your mind. These words conquered my mind to lead me to the stage on where I am right now. Thank you to Alpha Karim. Alright, my competitors are the first competitor I have about my app is Nus Tech One from Islamabad. It has two apps, Nus Give for donors and Minus for students and teachers. And then we have Lungs University. It has one app which is a general app called My Lungs. And UEECAC, a general app just for teachers and students. And these competitors have nothing in common. They have nothing in common to my app. Meet Actimini, a chatbot customer service solution. Prominent features are quick access to Acti. My app is very attractive to customers. They visit the website, they chat with my chatbot and come to Acti. And web and mobile app. This app is not just any common app. It is a web and mobile app, meaning it can be shown on the official Acti website called acti.com. And additional of multiple languages. My app will soon have multiple languages selection, so no worries, just choose a language. Fast enrollment process. My app has fast enrollment process, meaning Miss Amna does not have to use her phone any longer. My app does it all just for her. Enrollment and send a message on WhatsApp. Easy. Offered courses and programs. My app also tells all about the offered courses and programs, so chat with it whenever you want. Quick access to updates. My app knows all about the new updates. It will send you a message whenever you need it. And brief and comprehensive response. My app gives you a short and comprehensive response, so no time to tangle in long questions and answers. Details about all campuses. This app will not just have the details of Valia Town campus, but all the campuses around Pakistan.
साढ़े डाटा गायब कर दिया बेटा
App का demo कर देंगे। एक मिनट। And मैं पहले डेमो देने से पहले अकाउंट को कहूँगी कि कुछ कहना चाहे तो। ये
सर ये ऐप सर्विस में बनाई मैंने पार्टनरशिप की है इसका आइडिया मैंने दिया था